Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that may answer your questions or clear some doubts you may have in your situation, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have 7 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles and Page of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are seeing some changes in your situation, guys. Maybe for some of you in your career, there are certain difficulties you are seeing. Maybe you have achieved certain goals or completed certain things in your work. You have reached certain goals, happy for it, but there are opportunities coming towards you, but you see that you need to use a lot of energy, maybe use your talents, make a lot of efforts to reach those opportunities or reach work for those goals. So some kind of obstacles are there in your career situation. You are someone really talented and skilled, but this situation demands all your that strength and efforts to handle, guys. So it is really a very a difficult, it looks like a burden for you today, guys, Pisces. And maybe for some of you, there is this person, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, maybe there is a person really attracted to you and they want this relationship with you. But for some of you, it may be a very, it may not be a true love, guys. Maybe this person is really charmed by your beauty and they are attracted to your, attracted physically to you, guys. But it may not be a meaningful connection. Maybe they do not want a meaningful connection. They just want to have fun with you, a very light-hearted relationship and not a meaningful connection. And maybe though you are happy that this person is attracted to you, but you want a truthful connection with someone, guys. Maybe that may be the reason you are waiting, maybe, guys, for the right person to come up to you and the right kind of person to relate to, guys. And also this person sees you as someone reliable, guys. They have trust on you that you are a good person, and that is the reason they are they feel it is okay to have a casual kind of relationship with you, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. So we have Queen of Swords in reverse. So maybe again the similar energy here. So we were speaking of some kind of a casual relationship this person wants, and this card also speaks of that. Maybe it is not true love they have on you, guys. So you need to be really careful with this person. Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Chariot in reverse. So maybe in your career situation, guys, you need to be careful because you may get involved in some kind of an argument or a stressful situation, maybe with your colleagues or your mentor. So you have to be really careful today, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum. You are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.